Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another artsy. I just noticed that there's a bug on the ceiling. It's fine. He's just gonna hang out, I guess. Welcome to another artsy rug drop preview. I have 3 floor rugs and 3 keyboard rugs, all of which are my favorite thing ever. So first up, we have Frug, the witch frog. Also, frug is frog, rug, frug. Named by chat. Anyway, so this rug has 3D warties that you do have to pinch. That is a requirement if you get it. Needs pinches. The cutest black crinkly hat, front-facing frog, 3D warties, stars and sparkles. This is like, I mean, how do you not love? How do you not need this on your floor right now? Also, the warts, I believe, are like 1 inch tall. So they're not like super tall, just in case you were wondering if you would trip on them. I suppose you could, but they are also squishy. So you can definitely step on them and they'll squish down basically flat. All of my rugs are backed with a non-slip backing, and then they also have my hand-stamped AMW tag. Frug is incredible. Frug is the first and only of their kind. All of my rugs are literally one of one. Never, there's only one. There is literally only one frug. The next one is one of my personal favorites. Are you listening? One of my absolute favorites that like literally ever made. And it is the gummy worm. Listen, gummy worm rug makes me so freaking happy. It is both colors are legitimately like the perfect candy colors. This is candy blue and this is candy pink, and then blended in the middle it literally looks like purple. And I love how this turned out. I was really nervous about the blending, but I think it turned out amazing. And all the little highlighties. Like 45 inches long, which is almost 4 feet. Absolutely love gummy worm. I'm gonna be sad to see it go, but like I'm so excited. I'm so excited for like whoever wants to have this. Next up is another one of my favorites that I've ever made. Like I said at the beginning of this, they're kind of all my favorite, but like, you know. So we have the enormous, like give me a second to fully open it up. The enormous bat rug. The baddie rug. Oh my god. I will think about this rug for the rest of my life. It came out incredible. It has glowing yellow, well not, it doesn't glow in the dark. The eyes don't glow in the dark. But like bright golden yellow eyes, and then the most beautiful navy blue background, and like I can't get over the wings and like his face. Are you kidding me? This is such a cool like runner rug, or like whatever you want to do with it. I feel like this is out, if I saw this out in the world, like I can't even like fully spread it out on my table. I feel like this is also one of the largest pieces I've ever made. Actually, I measured it when I was doing the shipping, or the listing rather, and it's 5 feet. It's 5 feet long, which is like just an inch or two shorter than me. That's like right here. Big rug. All right, so those are the 3 floor rugs. Now we are on to the 3 keyboard rugs. First up is The green slime rug. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. And all of these are also backed with a non-slip backing. I just love that the slimes like dangle freely. The next keyboard rug is a little baddie silhouette in front of a like golden moon, and the moon kind of like fades from obviously this like golden yellow to like a reddish towards the middle. It's amazing. And then we also have some sparkles. The perfect keyboard rug wrist bed for anybody that likes spooky things. Also, if you don't know what I mean by keyboard rug, this is supposed to like sit over your keyboard if and when, I mean, you can use it however you want, but actually somebody got one of my keyboard rugs and hung it on their wall, and I thought that was like super cool. So yeah, you can do like anything that you want with these, but you can put them like on your keyboard when you're not using your computer, and when you are using your computer, you can take it off of your keyboard, and then it's a nice little wrist bed for when you're gaming or when you're typing or working from home or whatever, or working in office. Imagine having this in the office. And the last keyboard rug, and surely not the least, is the jack-o'-lantern keyboard rug. I love this one because I carved all of the like pumpkin-y ridges into the orange, and like his face is just perfect. Can you imagine having this in the office or wherever, and it's your wrist for your... So that is everything that I have for the October drop. And now for a little bit of and now, where's the bug? Just a little bit of info. I do ship outside of the US. I don't ship like absolutely everywhere, but I do my best to add places that I know I've gotten orders from before. And I also use Pirate Ship for all of my shipping labels. So I do my best to give you guys like the best shipping prices that I can. Shipping is still wild and crazy. Every order also comes with a hand-stamped card. And I have two versions this time because I have these left over from literally last, I think it was last like Halloween drop, because it's got bats on it. So I saved them. But you might get one of these with bats, or you might get one of the gold foil ones. Anyway, you're gonna get a handwritten card from me. And everything also gets rolled in like hand stamped paper that I stamp myself, that I actually have to stamp today during stream because I don't have any left. Also, all of these pieces are like spot clean only. You cannot put them in like the washing machine. You can't use like a wet vacuum on them. Everything is spot clean only. And they're also like, the floor rugs are for decoration, you know what I mean? So they're not really like intended for you to like wipe your shoes on. I know I say that in every video, but I just say it just in case. I mean, unless you want to buy it for that, but it will get ruined. It's not meant to withstand boots. The most important piece of info that I need to share with you is the actual drop date, which is going to be this Sunday. Let me look at my calendar and make sure it's actually a Sunday. This Sunday, October 27th at 3 p.m. Eastern. So you will have to check your time zone for what time that is for you if you're interested. And that's I think those are the important things, right? If you have any questions, comment down below. I will do my best to answer them. If you have a very important question, or like a question that you just don't want to put into a comment, you can email me here. And also, if you have any issues, like if you order something and you have an issue with it, this is also where you can reach me. Anyway, I'll see you guys on Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern, hopefully. When the time comes, I will link it literally everywhere on my Instagram, like in my profile, my Instagram stories. I'm gonna link it here on YouTube. I'm going to link it down in the description right now. But my website is always Artsymadwoman.biz. Very easy. Anyways, I love y'all. And I appreciate you being here, and I appreciate you watching this video. I'm very excited and very nervous. Also, Spooky Ramen is still available as well. You will see, possibly, if Spooky Ramen lasts till Sunday, then you will see Spooky Ramen there as well. And the Spooky Ramen rug is on sale. And also, only Spooky Ramen rug. None of these other pieces is getting this, but only because Spooky Ramen rug has been hanging out for a little bit. If you get Spooky Ramen rug only, then I might send you a beanie that I still have, an embroidered beanie that you don't get to pick. Only for Spooky Ramen rug. Only for Spooky Ramen rug will you get a beanie that you can't pick. Anyways, I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.